Hi folks, I wanted to show you how I gather some rosehips, as they are very potential in the winter. They're full of vitamin C, and one of the best ways to keep your skin, your eyes, your hair, your nails in great condition. If you drink rosehips tea twice per day, your skin will improve greatly. I understood this, like this summer I was asking on artificial intelligence, tell me the 3 best recipes from old times, from our grandmother and grandfather's times, for keeping our skin in the best shape. And AI told me on the first place was the recipe of rosehips tea, nothing more, you know, just a tea from rosehips. So you gotta know that, and I wanted to share this with you, and I'm gonna try for the first time this winter. Sorry about these cars, guys. And I'm going to try this for the first time this winter, drinking every day, twice per day, rosehips tea. I'm gonna gather a lot of rosehips in the next couple of days. Actually, today I'm in the village of Gela. Please see my previous video. Oh, fuck, I'm sorry. It's a little bit dangerous because, as you know, the rosehips have spikes on them, very, very sharp spikes. But when you're careful enough. So today I am in the village of Gela, and I came actually to release my drone. So I flew my drone around the village of Gela about 10 minutes. It's the 10th of October today, and I see these rosehips and I stopped next to them and decided to gather a little bit of them, because from the last 2 months I've been waiting the rosehips to get red, because they were like 3-4 weeks ago, they were still not red but green, you know. They had to grow more, and here it is. It's the right moment, already late autumn. Usually the rosehips are great for gathering in late autumn. Actually, I hope you hear me well, because the phone is like 6-7 meters away from me, and I have put the video with a little bit zoom. And so I came to release the drone, but decided to gather a little bit of rosehips, and I'm gonna dry them in home for me and my father to drink the tea in the winter. Like 5-6 days ago, on the highest parts of the mountains there was snowing, and it's a little bit cold, but today is about 12-14 degrees or something. It's gonna melt there is like 10 centimeters snow only on the highest parts of the mountains. Those of you who don't know me, I'm Hristo from Bulgaria, and this is the Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria. And I live in the town of Smolen. I am an artist and an artisan from the town of Smolen, the Rhodope Mountains, Bulgaria. And usually I make crafts and arts. But I also recently started my eco house project, which for now is paused. I am building on the 7 acres of land of my father and my uncle. I'm building my eco cop house and workshop. It's gonna be a great adventure. If you want to check my channel on YouTube and check the so-called eco cop house and workshop playlist, you can find there the beginning of the house, making the base, digging the base trenches and so on. And spring I continue with this eco project, and let me show you the rosehips. I just gathered them. I didn't have a bag in which to put them, and the rosehips are just great. So thanks for watching, folks. Let me show you the snow up there in the mountain. I hope you see the snow and the lovely chapel up there in the village of Gela, along with the beautiful forest colors and autumn colors. So guys, please like and share this video, subscribe to our channel if you like mountain adventures and nature videos, and also comment below what you think. Do you use rosehips for tea? What do you think about that? They are full of vitamin C and they are very great for your health, especially for your skin, eyes, nails and hair. And of course, thank you for watching, and thank you to everybody who subscribed to my channel. 825 people of you already subscribed, and I want to thank you, every one of you. Thanks for your support, folks. I'm catching my car and going back to Smolan, which is about 30 kilometers away. And thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.